Good day, Nigerians. Today we stand tall as a nation, proud to celebrate the 65th anniversary of our independence. 65 years ago, our founding fathers laid the foundation of a free and sovereign Nigeria, a nation built on unity, resilience, and hope. Over the decades, our journey has not been without trials, yet in every challenge, Nigerians have shown courage, innovation, and an unbreakable spirit. From our farmers to our teachers, from our artisans to our tech innovators, from our gallant armed forces to our young dreamers, the story of Nigeria is the story of her people. As we mark this milestone, let us remember that citizenship is not just a title we carry. It is a duty we owe. Leadership is not just a position. It is the responsibility of every Nigerian in their community, their workplace, and their homes. Together, we must embody integrity, patriotism, and service to build the Nigeria we all desire. We must equally recognize the strides we are making as a nation under the visionary leadership of our dear President, Bola Ahmed Tinubu GCFR. In just 2 years of his administration, Nigeria has recorded significant achievement. His bold economic reforms restored investors' confidence, clearing over $10 billion in foreign exchange liabilities and raising our net foreign exchange reserves from $3.99 billion in 2023 to $23.11 billion in 2024, more so through massive infrastructure investment. Over 2,700 kilometers of superhighways and more than 440 road projects are ongoing nationwide to connect communities and boost trade. In addition, focus on youth empowerment and education has provided over 900,000 citizens with access to the Presidential Loan and Grant Scheme and opened the doors of higher education for 470,000 students through the Nigerian Education Loan Fund, NEL Fund, and the North accounting for almost 70% of the beneficiaries. This achievement reflects more than statistics. They speak to the courage of a leader steering our nation through global economic uncertainty, insecurity, and the aftershocks of pandemic and inflation. President Tinubu's vision has been one of laying a firm foundation for Nigerians' prosperity in the midst of global turbulence. On this 65th Independence Day, I urge every Nigerian to renew their commitment to peace, unity, and national progress. Let us move forward with faith in our country. I wish you all a joyous Independence Day celebration. Happy 65th anniversary, Nigeria. God bless you, and God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. My name is Honorable Nasir Bala Aminu Jaoji, Senior Special Assistant to the President on Citizenship and Leadership.